Forklift Safety Light, CMSR6543. 1. Compact and highly visible CMSR6543 red forklift safety light is designed with a compact size of 65mm width and 43mm length. It projects a long, linear beam on the ground, making it highly visible to surrounding workers. This clearly defined red warning line enhances workplace safety by providing a clear visual boundary. 2. Powerful performance, reliable heat dissipation built with high-quality silver aluminum. This light offers excellent heat dissipation and high reliability. With a power output of 7.0 W and a luminous flux of 225 Lm, it ensures stable and long-lasting performance in industrial environments. 3. Durable and stable design equipped with a high-intensity magnet and a secure mounting option. This light ensures strong stability and secure installation. The robust aluminum housing enhances durability and longevity. 4. Waterproof and long-lasting, rated IP67 for dustproof and waterproof protection. This light is designed to endure various industrial environments. It offers a long lifespan, ensuring reliable performance over time. 5. Advanced engineering. This product is uniquely engineered through precision research and development, winning the trust and recognition of customers for its outstanding performance and reliability. SECURE, easy installation and versatility. The CMSR6543 light is easy to install and compatible with various forklift brands. It is an essential safety addition for any warehouse or industrial setting. It can also be used in various vehicles to maintain a safe distance between pedestrians and vehicles, whether during parking or while in motion, serving as an effective warning signal.